Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn about trading the euro and yen crosses. After the US dollar, the euro and yen are the most traded currencies. And like the US dollar, the euro and yen are also held as reserve currencies by different countries. So, this makes the euro and yen crosses the most liquid outside of the US dollar based majors. Trading the euro crosses. The most popular euro crosses are Euro JPY, Euro GBP, and Euro CHF. News that affects the euro or Swiss franc will be felt more in euro crosses than Euro USD or USD CHF. UK news will greatly affect Euro GBP. Oddly enough, US news plays a part in the movement of the euro crosses. US news makes strong moves in GBP USD and USD CHF. This not only affects the price of the GBP and CHF against the USD, but it could also affect the GBP and CHF against the euro. A big move higher in the USD will tend to see a higher Euro CHF and Euro GBP, and the same goes for the opposite direction. Confused? Okay, let's break this down. Let's say that the US shows positive economic data causing the USD to rise. This means that GBP USD would fall, driving the price of the GBP down. At the same time, USD CHF would rise, also driving the price of the CHF down. The drop in GBP price would then cause Euro GBP to rise since traders are selling off their GBP. The drop in CHF price would also cause Euro CHF to rise since traders are selling off their CHF. Conversely, this would also work in the opposite direction if the US showed negative economic data. Trading the yen crosses. The GPY is one of the more popular cross currencies, and it is basically traded against all of the major currencies. Euro JPY has the highest volume of the JPY crosses, according to the latest Triennial Central Bank survey from the Bank of International Settlements. GBP JPY, AUD JPY, and NZD JPY are attractive carry trade currencies because they offer the highest interest rate differentials against the JPY. When trading JPY currency cross pairs, you should always keep an eye out on the USD JPY. When key levels are broken or resisted on this pair, it tends to spill over into the JPY cross pairs. For example, if USD JPY breaks out above a key resistance area, it means that traders are selling off their JPY. This could prompt the selling of the JPY against other currencies. Therefore, you could expect to see Euro JPY, GBP JPY, and other JPY crosses to rise as well. The CAD JPY pair. Over recent years, this currency crosses has become very popular, becoming highly correlated with the price of oil. Canada is the second largest owner of oil reserves and has benefited from the rise of oil prices. On the other hand, Japan is heavily reliant on the importing of oil. In fact, over 99% of Japan's crude oil is imported, as it has almost no native oil reserves. These two factors have caused an 87% positive correlation between the price of oil and CAD JPY. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.